We got 6 cams here. We got my stock 1/16 cams at the top, and we have my new 585 cams at the bottom. I'm just gonna show you guys the difference in the lobe sizes, nothing crazy. But we're gonna take my 1/16 cam, I'm gonna take my 585 cam. So this is the rear exhaust cams. These are the intake cam, and this is the front exhaust cam. This tool is holding up the lifters so the push rods can stay in place with the rockers, which interface with the valves. So if we were to drop those lifters out of here, we're gonna have to take the engine apart just to get that back. We got the rear exhaust cams. We're gonna probably turn these sideways. These do have compression releases on them. So I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the lobes. So we got 1/16 stock cam on the left, 585 high lift cam on the right. Another thing to note, this is the stock 1/16 cam. You can see the compression release that helps the bike start easier. And this is the one on the 585. So the good thing about these cams, with that decompression release, you don't actually have to take anything off. Intake cam. So there's 2 lobes on this, one for each cylinder, of course. 1/16 cam on the left, high lift 585 cam on the right. All right, and we got the front exhaust cam. These are different, so if you were to mix the front exhaust cam up with the rear exhaust cam, you're gonna have a problem. They are labeled. So there we go. 1/16 cam on the left, high lift cam on the right. You can also see we have a little bit of scarring on my 1/16 stock cam, but the bearing races where the cam interfaces with the bearings inside the engine, that look fine, except we got some wear there. But where my rollers interface with the cam lobe, those look fine. There is a little of a mar right there, a little bit of scoring. Yeah, this one, the intake cam, that looks fine. And we have the rear exhaust cam. All right. So when you get these cams, they come with the compression releases like the stock cams do. And also you got to take the little keyways off. These keys come off, little magnet, get it off, and then you drop it in the new cam. You have everything you need to drop these in. You do need the tool, because if not, you're gonna drop the lifters and it's gonna be an absolute nightmare. You're gonna have to tear the engine apart. But we also got the Lloydz tool for the split gears. This tool actually squeezes these this split gear. Ooh, almost dropped it. It splits this gear, or squeezes them together, so you can make them a little bit easier to get off. See how they're pretty much almost aligned? That makes it easier to get back on when it's time to reinstall it. We also got the cam journal plate right here. I haven't seen anybody compare the 2 cams together just to show the lobe differences. So let me know what y'all think about that down below. These cams are tried and true. Lowe's has been in the business for a long time, and you know, yeah, they're reliable. So I'm going to drop these in. Let me know what y'all think about that down below. Catch you in the next one. Peace.